Hi, my name is Millie. I'm a customer support specialist here at Easy Texting, and these are the top 5 questions we get from our customers. 5. What is the best advice to increase clicks on links in messages? First, tell your customers who you are. Include the name of your company and the address of the message and context to where the link will take them. No one wants to engage with an unknown sender or link. 4. How can I be text compliant? Compliance is following the industry regulations that protect your message recipients. All contacts must consent to receiving text messages on behalf of your company. This consent can be obtained through self-opt-ins such as keywords and QR codes, but can also be obtained externally through your own sign-up forms, so long as they have an explicit agreement to receive text messaging. This can be as simple as clicking a box which agrees to the terms and conditions. Number 3, what marketing strategies can I use to get more people to sign up? Easy offers a variety of tools, including keywords, which are handy for contacts to self-opt-in. You can also create sign-up forms, shareable through URL or embedded on your website. And we also offer QR codes, which are great for visible marketing at your events and around your community. 2. What is the difference between MMS and SMS? SMS stands for Short Message Service, which is limited to 160 characters per message. MMS stands for Multimedia Message Service, which allows you to attach photos and has a character limit of 1,600. Finally, number 1, how do credits work? Credits are used for group messages. SMS messages use 1 credit per message, while MMS messages use 3 credits per message. Sending 1 SMS message to 20 contacts would use 20 credits, while sending an MMS to the same 20 contacts would use 60 credits. We hope you found this information helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful videos.
Try it free today at easytexting.com/start.